Gala. I'm Mitch, and for today, I will be sharing my Christmas cookie hot cups. Okay? So with me here is my daughter, Anya.
Hi.
She will help me since wala kami sa school. If you notice, nasa own kitchen or nasa bahay kami. So, might as well ask her to help. Okay? So, it's her favorite cookie cups. So, patulong natin yung bata. Okay? For the ingredients, I have here some flour, brown sugar, butter, Beryl's chocolate chips, baking soda, I have vanilla extract, and some iodized salt. And then later, for the ganache, I have some all-purpose cream and Beryl's milk chocolate. So, I chose milk chocolate kasi yun yung paborito nila. So, let's start. And I have big mixer sa likod ko, but since this is good for dalawang bata lang, I have 2 kids only, so medyo maliit yung recipe, then might as well, let's use our hands, okay? So, let's do the creaming method. Mix butter and sugar in your bowl. Make sure your butter is soft. Kailangan soft si butter, but not melted, ha? Yan. And then your brown sugar. Ang aking tumigas na brown sugar. Just mix this one until mahalo siya ng maayos. Do not overmix your butter and your sugar. Once you're doing your cookies, okay, just mix this one. Just until mahalo silang dalawa. Okay? See, pwede siyang walang mixer. So, para dun sa wala pang mixer, tapos who wants to make cookies, pwede to. Okay? Then after that, set aside. Oh my God, we forgot 1-piece egg. Dahil sineparate ko kanina, so let's get 1-piece egg. Give me 1-piece egg. And after the butter and the sugar, add the egg. You can mix in the vanilla extract, your dry ingredients, and lastly, your chocolate chips. Okay? Let's mix this one first. Okay. Okay. Put the dry ingredients here. After the egg, put your dry ingredients. And then lastly, your chocolate chips. After mixing, and divide natin to into 12. Tapos, lagay natin here. Okay? Divide ko muna para sakto. Bago ko pakita kung paano natin ito gawin. After mo ma-divide, you do like this. Okay? Lagyan mo ng parang space or gawin mo siyang cups. Okay? If you have this, this will help you. Okay? Lagay mo sa my flour and then you do that. If wala, no problem. Press with your thumb. Halo na yung gitna. So, let's bake this one for around 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit na oven. So, please na. Careful. So, while the cookies are baking, nag-boil na ako ng water here. Let's make the ganache. Okay? So, this is the milk chocolate. You chop it. Okay? And then, double boil. Okay? After melting, let's put the all-purpose cream. Once melted na, and let's add the cream. At nawala na ang aking assistant. I turned off the heat na ha. Okay. But since I want the chocolate ganache na malambot and medyo hot, hindi ko muna i-remove here sa hot water. Pabayaan ko lang siya. So, it's baked already. My cookie cups. Okay? Then, here's my ganache. Huwag mo na ipaset. So, nakalimutan ko sa school ang aking cups. So, I'll be using my scooper. Then, put some sprinkles on top. Huwag mo damihan. Just enough. Okay? What's nice about this recipe, kung gusto niyo siyang gawin for Christmas Eve with your kids, then you can mix the cookie recipe ahead of time, tapos i-freezer nyo, and then on Christmas Eve, bago nyo siya i-bake. Okay? And, oops. For the sprinkles, you can visit our store, Sweethouse Baking Supplies. There you go, our hot cookie cups. Merry Christmas, everyone! And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And comment down below kung anong recipes ang gusto nyo next gawin ko. Bye! Merry Christmas!